Hello, and welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today we're going to take a look at door track. This door track allows panels to be used as sliding doors and can be cut to any length. They're easy to install, available in both fractional and metric, and are compatible across a wide range of profile series. Now the great thing about door track is that it requires no machining and no hardware. Now the door track comes in two parts. You have your top portion and you have your bottom portion. Now to ensure that your panels slide smoothly, there is a little bit of a difference between these two. Now if you put them side by side, you can see the bottom portion has a little bit of a bump in the bottom of the track. That's going to allow it to slide smoothly. Now when it comes to installing it, we'll grab our frame. We're going to start with our top portion. We'll put it right into the open T-slot, and we'll hammer it right in. Once we have that in there, we'll flip our frame, and we'll start in on our bottom portion. We'll get it into the open T-slot and do the same thing. We'll hammer it right in. Now once you have that all in there, take your panel, put it into the top track first, and then into the bottom track, and then your panel can slide freely.